One day in Gotham City, the Joker and Harley Quinn had been arrested and thrown into the Gotham City jail. That was until the smell of taco seasoning filled the air. It was Tony's red taco truck, and it was being driven by that taco guy from Fortnite. And he was serving up delicious tacos. So delicious, in fact. So delicious, in fact, that every member of the GCPD took their lunch break at that exact moment to order delicious Tony's Rad Tacos, which also happened to be Hot Wheels branded. So successful were Tony's Rad Tacos that everyone, even the Penguin and GCPD and that lady from Jurassic Park or Jurassic World and Indiana Jones and a bunch of other people who were fairly random showed up to order tacos. But in the midst of it all, something had been forgotten. The Joker and Harley Quinn had not been placed in their cells yet, and so they escaped from prison. But the allure of Tony's Red Tacos was too much to bear, so the Joker and Harley Quinn stopped by the taco truck to order some rad tacos made by Tony, the Taco Man. But as they fled Gotham City Jail, an alarm was set off, triggering the bat signal, resulting in Batman and Robin arriving on the scene in the Batmobile. And Robin exclaimed, "Holy Taco Bell dog, Batman! Look, it's Tony's Red Tacos! And the Joker is eating the tacos! This is a tragedy!" Batman immediately reminded Robin that the Taco Bell dog's real name was Gidget. Anyway, he went and knocked out the Joker and accidentally knocked out some other guy from some other new cartoon, I guess. And then he ordered a rad taco. And Batman and Robin went home eating tacos while the Joker was arrested by the GCPD.